Over time, all cars experience natural wear and tear, and as certain components of a car age, they may need to be replaced. With engines, however, changing the components that leak isn't a very simple task. Some leaks are simple to fix, some complex. Our trained technicians are experienced in diagnosing all types of engine leaks. If you're noticing a slight burnt oil fume and can't identify where it's coming from, the most likely culprit is a valve cover gasket leak. In your oil pan on the underside of the car is a screw-in plug that lets the old oil out when you get your oil changed. If this screw is leaky, you're looking at a drain plug leak. You can have it replaced the next time you come in for an oil change. An oil filter that isn't tight enough or the surface wasn't cleaned on both sides before it was screwed in can cause an oil filter leak. There's also an oil seal at the rear of your engine near the transmission. Typically it's difficult to see this one, but you will know it's leaking if you are seeing lots of blue smoke coming from the underside of your car at the rear of the engine. This fix is difficult and expensive and needs to be brought into a technician, as the engine will have to be removed to replace the seal. If you think you may be experiencing an engine leak, give us a call or stop in and one of our certified technicians will take a look.
Bone Brothers Toyota. Schedule your service appointment online or give us a call today. We're located at 3611 Lopalco Boulevard in Harvey, Louisiana.